stole my heart and changed it. Took all of my plans and rearranged them. Now I finally know what amazing grace is. When I look into your eyes, baby, I see my whole life. What you say we put us
atas izin dan mudahnya diwakilkan kepada saya untuk menikahkan anak dari Bantah Rusdi. Saya nikahkan Ongko Andi Rifasli bin Zainal Agini dengan Andi Mudara Ase Ratnasari binti Abdul Kahar Muslim dengan mahar sebidang tanah 20 kali 25 meter persegi dibayar tunai karena Allah.
Saya terima nikahnya Andi Mudara Ase Ratnasari binti Abdul Kahar Muslim dengan mahar sebidang tanah 22 kali 25 dibayar tunai karena Allah.
We'll build this home together, whether any storm. And as the years keep rolling on, you'll be right where I belong. What you say we put us down some roots, find a house up on a hill, travel around the world, put some pictures on the shelf.